Cellular healing meditation. Find yourself a time, a place where you will not be disturbed. Yes, become comfortable now. Lie down or sit. Wherever you are, however you are, allow for the most comfort in your mind and in your body. Rest your eyes. Rest your body. Rest your mind. When your body relaxes, the mind follows and starts relaxing as well. I invite you now to become aware of every cell in your body, the trillions of cells in your body. Just become aware. That's right, just notice. Notice how all the trillions of cells in your body feel like right now. Notice. Are they vibrating at a certain level? How are they feeling to you? They are all yours. That is you. Yes, take a deep breath and allow each cell to receive this breath. And as you breathe out, feel every ounce of you relaxing. That's right. Relaxing. I'm going to count from 10 down to 1, and the count of 1 you will feel deeply, deeply relaxed. 10, feeling calm all the way down your spine. All the way down to your tailbone. That's right. 9, you're feeling even more relaxed. All the nerves connected with your spine, relaxing. 8, you have not a care in the world right now. You're leaving all the hurries and worries behind. You're dropping down to an even more relaxed state of mind. That's right. 7, calming down. You're feeling so good. 6, arms and legs are limp and loose like a rag doll. Just turning loose. 5, you're halfway there. 4, 3, your fingers and toes, all your extremities deeply relaxing, letting go. 2, you're almost there. 1, you are now in complete relaxation mode. Your whole body has relaxed, collapsed into this restful state. Yes, allow a sense of profound serenity to reach even your bones. Feel deeply still. Now imagine a column of great healing light sent from heaven above, descending down on you. Now this bright luminous light is potent with divine healing. That's right. divine healing, shimmering with unconditional love, infinite possibilities, unbounded wisdom. Take a deep breath in, and like you're opening a door, like unlatch your heart and open it. Yes, flinging the doors of your heart wide open. Wide open. Open the windows of your inner eye. Open your mind and let the light in. That's right. Let that beautiful, bright, luminous light just enter you. Allow the light to flow inside you. And now the trillions of cells in your body that you were aware of become even more aware, receiving this brilliant, healing, divine light. I will be silent for a while and allow you a few moments to accept this healing, to receive it into every cell, fiber, atom of your body, your mind, your spirit, your energetic field, all your dimensions. And at this moment, feel your heart, ask, receive, and believe in the healing that you are receiving now. And now, as every cell has received the healing, observe the transformation within you now. A powerful transformation has happened. Your whole entire being has shifted into a healed place. You are now transformed. Observe the healing happening in front of your mind's eye. That's right. Feel full, feel miraculous, feel magical, feel complete. And now relax with the knowledge that the workings of the divine healing light is activated within you now. And now seal your healing. Allow white, bright light to cocoon you. Imagine you're now cocooned within a brilliant, bright, white light. You are safe and secure within this gorgeous, divine orb. Take another deep breath and drift into this healing sounds. And now, when you are ready, open your eyes, my darlings, and throughout the day, raise your vibration by imagining yourself inside the white orb and golden light of healing. Imagine yourself healed. Imagine yourself transformed. Know that you are transformed. Namaste.